Guys, today we're reviewing a new action figure, so let's go. It's Biggie! Now, you're probably saying to yourself, isn't this the first New Day member? You're wrong. I have two Kofi Kingstons and one Xavier Woods that we'll look at when we compare the New Day member. Now, so you can launch action, spinning handlebars, and then include Biggie, obviously. And there's a Apollo Crews that I do have an Apollo Crews. It comes with 6-piece breakaway pieces. And a slam spin AVD. And the wrekkin slam, which bought us a whole lot. And then we will do the same with the motorcycle. 86 and up. Turn it around. It's Kofi Kingston, Apollo Crews, Big E, and Sheamus. And then bump to bumper destruction. The WWE. Deliver spin kicks, launch into match, and then what's good. So, for you, let's use Unicorn Power to end this review. Alright, we're finally done. So, this is Big E. The face scan looks awesome. He has pretty cool silver and blue. He's so cold, which because I'm in my mom's car, so that's probably why it's cold. But anyways, and he got blue boots. I got paint on my hand from art to open hand so he can get onto the vehicle. Which toss us to the side and let's get into Big comparisons. Okay, I don't have no other Big E, so sorry, we have a Jamaican Kofi Kingston, we have a New Day Xavier Woods, and we have a New Day Kofi. So, if you want to see them all together. Alright, so there's a New Day all together, and I'm going to put this ring, move it out of the way, so we can get into the wrekkin slam cycle thing. So here we go. So, we have a launch pad, which you can, I'll just grab this, Kofi Kingston. See? And then I'm gonna break it apart, and then, oh yeah, also this goes onto here if you want to. I will show you that right now. So, you take that off, and then you push down, and then boom. And you can still, like, then you can click on it. Then you put a wrestler, let's put, Finn Balor. Put them on here, and then yeah, you put put your hand like in here. This is difficult to do one-handed, so yeah. Then yeah, you can just yeah. Or you can put that back on, and then you can just launch people. So there's a few breakaway parts. Yeah, it's supposed to look like this. Yeah, I'm gonna break it apart, but it just snaps off, so I will show you them in pieces. Okay, so after counting, there is 6 breakable things in here. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like without it. It looks kind of bland. And this is the pieces that you get to you get a motor, side pieces, 2 side pieces. The seat comes out, the little launch pad thing. And the headlight that which fell off when I was opening it. But now I'm gonna put it back together and then we'll get into some comparisons. So yeah. Okay, so here. So this is the Slammobile. Up next to the Slammobile, the car version. So if I was creating this toy, I'd rather put find them. I put Stone Cold, which I cannot find my Stone Cold. I'll find them. I'll put Stone Cold on here, like a new Mattel. Austin can Zax even fit in here? I guess not. Good. So yeah, I'm gonna put Stone Cold Steve Austin in this instead of Big E, but hey, you know, I need a Big E anyway, so yeah. if you want to pick this up, you know, I found it at Walmart, but you can also get it at wrekkin.com. So yeah. So yeah, I guess this is the end of the video, right? Yeah, it is. I'm gonna put Stone Cold in the ring with the New Day. I'm gonna put someone different on it. Since he's the channel person, I'll put Sammy Wyatt. What am I looking for? Comedy, not me. Ooh, I just found an idea. Oh yeah, I'll find Sammy Wyatt and I'll put him in him. Guys, I just realized AEW Unrivaled series. Sammy Guevara that fits in here, probably on Cassidy too, but yeah. But he's actually standing, not sitting. But it's cool that Sammy Guevara can like AEW, yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a little scene, I guess should say. So let me get to that first. Okay, so I didn't. Some of course hit. So wait, I'm gonna do one more thing. Hold on. Okay, so I just got done. We have 2 steps. So let's get into. So we have Don Jose, Steve Austin Stone, the imposter, cooking, Henry Guevara, backwards, going to football in the New Day. Let's see if we can get a good try of this. Okay. Oh wow, that was cool. That was actually cool. Yeah. So this is the ATV that comes with Mr. Big E. Yep, so yeah. I think it will look cool if we just put. Yeah, I'm gonna put the New Day up. I think that would be cool. What a thumbnail that I was thinking of. Hold up. Well, technically, the David was out with the injury, so right now just. Oh my gosh. Yeah, put it right here. Yeah.